if I press the space button, my end thing. Day 169. Um, I'm back in my house, as you can see. Update today. This is an interesting one. Um, I've lost a lot of money. So took a trade today. Oh well, first of all, Friday, two class, one at 10 or 12, one at 4. Did both. Lunch in the middle. Uh, and then after that, sorry, after lunch, right? Um, went to my class, changed, had tons of freshers event, school event, basically, uni event for the club I'm in, the social club. It was fun. It was nice. I can say it's okay. It's okay. Like it could be better. I don't know how the other ones are, ESA and CAC and Singapore and whatever, but like right now it's okay. It was definitely fun. It could have been funner, but not too bad. I think personally it was on me. I could have upped my sociability a little bit more. Could have included a Luke a little bit more, but went to that, came back pretty late. But in terms of the trading time, pretty good timing. Pretty good timing, right? So big sell off, big dump because I think it was CPI. CPI for I don't know, I'm pretty sure it was CPI. It was CPI unemployment claims, right? One of the two for um, the pound. And even if you don't know anything about stocks, you know what? Actually, I don't know. No, you probably won't know what CPI is. Interest rate, right? Expected, or I think it's tax. I don't know. CPI, interest, tax, whatever. It was expected to be 0.2%. The previous time they reported it was 0.1%. So expected to go up, right? Instead, it didn't have no change, it didn't go up. It went down, it went to 0.00%. So nothing happened. And obviously that's bad for the market. That's not what they expected. And it tanked. All the GU stocks just absolutely tanked, crashed. And usually when there's a big crash like that, when the move is done, it's gonna be a bit of a retracement up. Actually, I'll check it right now. I think it's still going up, but there'll be a bit of a retracement up, right? Saw that even though it's not slightly against, because still took out liquidity, it's kind of against the trends and my strat, but I still went for it anyway. Or I still went for it anyway for going against it, just because of the fact that we're just trying to catch a small trade, no trailers, just one to one bang hit. Um, yeah, so I took two trades today because both of them lined up. Two trades, one was long, second was also long, both in the same pair, Euro US. Euro USD because GU follows EU, kind of hand in hand. So followed Euro, saw a little bit of a nicer entry there going up because GU was still dumping because of news, and got stopped out. Now I got stopped out because, well, I sucked, bro. I don't know what else to say, chat. I sucked. I made the stop loss a little too small. Right, so that was just low key on me being a bit retarded, right? Bit retarded. And then second one, all right, second one. So first one I lost 23 bucks off the rip, 23. Second one, I took a $30 position again, $30 risk. And then it started going down a little bit. I was like, okay, you know what? I think it might just follow the trend back down. We might have been fucking cooked. So I tried to tighten my stop loss. Absolutely retarded. Do not tighten stop loss. Not because you're trying to cut losses, because you set that loss at a predetermined risk. Right? You already accepted, not that that money is gone, but that risk is taken. So trying to move it will be moving it out of fear because you don't trust yourself or your system or the odds. The odds. And yeah, here the odds played me fucking very wrong. So it literally bottom ticked my stop loss. If I kept it to where it was originally, bro, I would have been trading right now. I've been zooming. So it actually did go up. It is going up currently as we speak right now. It's still going up. Oh my gosh. Might even take a trade right now. It's a joke. But yeah, kind of sucks. So two losses, $50 loss, big fat loss. All right, we lost a whole percent, and we're actually down the most we've ever been. You know, and it was so stupid. Like we could have very easily avoided these losses, and could have actually been wins. Could have won today. We could have won two trades today, or it would have only been one because like if I won the first one, that's it. I'm only winning the first one, but yeah, we'll show you real quick. Look at this, bro. Account started with 5K at the top that you can see there. Then now you can see that 4861, bro. I'm at 4,861. That's down 3%. Not even that bad, right? 10% down for me to be fully lost. But yeah, just pretty bad. But not gonna lie, reading the book is actually helping me a little bit more, right? I've got another 10 pages. I'm on page 20 now. And it really hammers to you that not just to trust your system, but to basically forget the fundamentals that you've been brought up by. The learnings that you brought up by. Because we're always taught to think about risk, right? Think about what could go wrong. But in trading, it's the exact opposite. It's not what could go wrong, it's what the odds say, you know? It's more not, you have to take yourself out of the trade and let yourself trade emotionlessly, which honestly kind of contradicts the point of like discretionary trading, because you have to trade discretionary, or else if you could trade it like a robot, then you would get a robot to trade it. Um, so there's a little bit of caveat to that. A caveat, caveat, whatever. But yeah, I think it is. It just, especially after a loss, and it was saying to me, well, if you don't trade emotionally, you might trade and let your winners run too short. You might move your stop loss. You might move your stop loss and then just get wicked out, and then it goes your way, which is what happened to me today. So, yeah, it really hit. It hit. I was like, oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna take that loss. I'm gonna learn from it. Tomorrow, better day. Not even tomorrow. Next week. Next week, better week. Yeah. So this week, big fat loss, bro. Lost $50. But next week we're gonna bet, not bet. We're gonna risk $40. So I'm gonna start risking almost a percent now in these trades because I need to make it back. I need to make it back. Um, and also, like, if I were to go down, that to me feels like I have more motion into it. You would think more money is more motion, but here, from what I'm, seeing from just myself trading, lowering the money just makes it more safe for me. And we don't want to be in that safe place yet. We want to be in a place of constant competition, basically, not against the market, but myself, to make sure that, yo, there's $40 on the line here. Um, let's do this properly. No shits and giggles. And once you set the trade, don't touch it. Don't touch it. If you lose it, you lose it. If you win it, you win it. Done. But yeah, that's it. Book's pretty good from the 20 pages I've read. So yeah. Also, I got not a job offer, but a call from a job from Dollar Deals. If all goes well, I could. Maybe I'm saying it too early, but maybe could have a part-time job, cinema, and I might. But the only thing is, they said, "Oh yeah, well, would you be willing to leave your jobs for this one?" It's like, if you give me the right hours, yeah. And they said, "Would you be willing to leave your part-time?" the cafe. And I thought about it. I would feel really bad for Lynn, but I would very much so do that. So hopefully they hit me back. If not, well, I'm gonna stay with fucking Lynn. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna watch other people's videos now.